Kumsi benda banai ke jengkublai kerpang ya kinolom kubor kebayarap ya kabalang bat kim lang salang hakum kani gapor baka perthei kari berok kawai kaya kon yu kenyang jingpang kubet kat kendai kebalak tak lut nadu kayo kakot kamani blai kapuli puthi bat kiwei ka Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong hagani si blai baladep kelayo ban kubrom ya ki kattu kat ningot kinang trei ka Sascom bat T7 halor ke jingdan menta banyak kon ya kani kram da gajing syakri ha kabor bikila kabakila pelong ha biangki hall cathedral parish hakini kesi lai dolang duma Vincent H Pala MP ke Shillong kum kongsan u Reverend Father John Madur Dyson administrator ke Shillong Archdiocese u Father Payus Shadap director rempai kipat ba Sascom u president ke Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong u Vincent Darlong u ba Barnabas Rangba u balak penyat je ke Jingelang kidikot ke Rotary Club bat kinong tri ke Sascom T7 habakren hagani kesi ma Vincent H Pala ula ai ke jingero ya ke jingdan benta kinalom khobor hagaban nyukun persya yone kunyang jipang ula ai ke jingkit bok kirweng ya borok kinalom khobor ha ke jela bakinang la mansyakri kambha ya ke amlang salang nagaleng Father Pius Sadap ula batai ya ke khana lingkot ya ke jingya linti ke Sascom kum kalat pathai khobor ringkat ke kentin kerkhu kerdo.
So you also as the front runner in the media, you also as the not only to save, to give information to the public, but also, you serve the church also, because millions of us who cannot come to the church. But I've seen this time when I went to visit many houses, I saw them, I reached there, then I saw them having a service, living live, following the YouTube of done by Sascom and Facebook, Sascom through Facebook. So I feel proud of all of you. And I'm sure God will be with you and God will protect you. But only one thing, wherever you are, please be careful. Social distance, using a mask, that can protect you a lot. 2 days back, a doctor who was treating the COVID-19 in hospital came to me. And when he came to all my friends ran away because he's a doctor who was in charge of civil hospital. And after he left, then I said, why you run away? And he said, no, because the doctors came, so maybe he's contacted with some from his shoes, from his. Luckily, my wife didn't know. Then later on, my friend told me, no, first you have to. So what do you call? You have to sanitize the entire place. I said, no, nothing. If I do that, and if somebody come to know all these things, I think that will be one point which I may be defeated during the election. So we should be supportive to all of the warriors.
Thanks to you, T7 and Sascom. No matter how much we say, no matter how much we thank, nothing can compensate what you have done. It must have been very hard for you to come in the front line and to do the service that you have been doing. Till date, we have not yet achieved any victory on COVID. So thank you so much. Thank you for being here, and thank you for accepting the certificate of gratitude that we have to give from our side, Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong.
We are all here to felicitate and to honor all of you from the media, especially T7 and Sascom, for risking your life, especially by giving us coverage and news of events that has taken place, especially during this period of lockdown and during this pandemic.
It's a real pleasure for us this afternoon to be here in such a graceful hall with a graceful people to be part of this celebration. Well, Rotary India this year had been expressing the gratitude to people whom identify as COVID warriors. Under several sectors, Rotary had been identifying, frontline workers, people from the police services, health, media, NGOs, and other professions who had contributed to, responding to the COVID pandemic situations, bringing relief and other requirement to the communities. The Rotary Club of Orchid City had been part of this endeavor. And you may be aware that in Shillong there are 3 Rotary clubs. Besides Orchid City, we have Rotary Club of Shillong and Rotary Club of Shillong Heritage. In July we have another one, and in Tura another one.
Just happened that the same people are working in both T7 and SASCOM. SASCOM is a social media communications of the Archdiocese of Shillong. It is started long ago, but I don't remember which year we started, but it is affiliated to NESCOM. NESCOM is the Northeast Social Communications, then affiliated to Signis India, and affiliated to the Signis World. The Signis World, the center of it is in Brussels. That is in Brussels, in what country is that? Brussels?
Belgium.
Oh, Belgium. It is in Belgium. And we normally meet once in 3 years or once in 2 years. And we have also the Asia Signis. Asia Signis. These are all under the guidance of the Vatican, from Rome. So we are affiliated. So SASCOM as a social communications, as I said, started long ago. But as a form of reaching out to the people through the electronic media, we just started in the year 2014. I think, if I'm not mistaken, on the 4th of February, started to give the news through cable news twice a week, that is on Friday and on Sundays. Then later on, as issues comes, we try to be involved in the issues by trying to give positive thoughts. No? For example, when they when this sickness, this COVID-19 started in China and different parts of India, we were the first one who tried to give some positive thoughts, encouraging people not to lose hope, but to have faith. Don't be afraid. Take care of yourself. But all of that is in the Khasi language. So some of you might not have looked. Some people look, and all of them appreciated the way we try to get involved in these issues, trying to help people in different ways.
One thing that the SASCOM did in this past 3 months is broadcasting the religious services of the Catholic Church, which has helped so many people, because in the Catholic Church we have parishes, centers like this, and we also have villages where they don't have what we call the Mass every Sunday. They can manage on their own, but the majority of the people in the city, they had forgotten that part of it, and they are always with the priest. So with Sundays without priests or Sundays without the church, it's difficult. So through the service of SASCOM and T7, we have been able to reach to thousands of people, and today they said some 3,000-4,000 are watching on YouTube and all that. So that is a great service that this channel does to the church and to the society. And through the SASCOM, we do also give some positive strokes, so to say, to our faithful. And I believe not only Catholics watch the SASCOM, there are other people also watching, and they benefit from that. And since March, they have been there the whole day, every Sunday, whole Sunday, from 10:30 up to 7:30. They are there at the Bishop's house doing a very tedious job. So I would like to congratulate them, and I would like to congratulate the Rotary Club of Shillong. There are some people who see the good things done by other people. Dr. Vincent had said so many good things have been done by the Rotary, but then you have also time to see that there are also other people doing the good things. And for that, we must congratulate the Rotary Club for recognizing the T7 and the SASCOM. Thank you so much.